Good morning. I've just done the school run and I thought I'll spare a few minutes to answer some of the questions that I got asked yesterday. So the first one was whether chiropractic is safe during postpartum, and I will definitely say yes, it is completely safe. It's very gentle. If you've never had chiropractic treatment before, I particularly will always start very gentle and see how your body responds to it, but it's very safe and it's also very good to help you recover quicker. We basically just give an input to your body and your body does the rest. It just needs a little reminder of what it's capable of doing. So the next question connects to the first one, and it was how soon can I start chiropractic treatment after having a baby? Now, if you've had, it all depends on your particular circumstances, but if you've had a C-section, for example, ideally 8 weeks postpartum, when your scar has healed and you feel confident laying on your front. However, I have had ladies who are really struggling, especially with neck and upper back issues when they're breastfeeding, or just postpartum, basically when everything is moving a lot and you're having a lot of changes really quickly in your body. I have treated them sooner, maybe a week or two postpartum, but it has been completely different to a normal chiropractic adjustment where I modify the technique so they're actually seated and not laying on their front, for example. So there were other two questions. One was whether it hurts. And it definitely doesn't hurt. An adjustment is a very quick impulse to the spine that sometimes sounds like a crack or a pop, and that is a gas exchange within the joint. So we just move the joint, and when it opens, then it releases that gas. It sounds like it pops. So it's not painful. Sometimes muscles are the ones causing most of the pain. So if we release the muscles, that can be a little bit tender, but really it shouldn't hurt. And then the other question was, I completely forgot what the question was, so I've had a look now, and it was what happens during a consultation. So if you've never seen me before, if you've never had a chiropractic session before, you'll have an initial consultation, and what happens here is we'll have a chat, we'll ask loads of questions, get as much information as we can. Then I'll do a physical examination, find out what the problem is, and then if it's safe to do so, we will perform a chiropractic adjustment, which involves various techniques, and you have nothing to worry about if you're a bit nervous about it. I will always walk you through what's happening. If there's something that you're not comfortable with, you can always let me know. But it's very gentle, very quick, and people usually really like it. And if you don't like it, then I will convert you, because I've converted many.